Hey everybody, I wanted to talk about a potential trade setup in crude oil. Crude recently had a pullback from the 88 level, and those that were in the shadow trader room, I was looking for crude to come down towards this 65 area, but it never got there. And the reason why I'm starting to like it here is because, as you can see, we've been in a downtrend and we've been making, lower highs, lower lows, right? Textbook definition of a trend, from this high here to a lower high here and another lower high here. And of course, we were making lower lows from here to here to here. But now look, we're actually making a higher low here to here. And basically, this trend line break, if it does break to the upside, then I think we could see some more lift in crude because, again, the downside target was here. And, as I was watching it, I'm kind of thinking that it's basically going to do this, come to this area, support, bounce. But the fact that now we're making higher lows here and here kind of tells me that buyers are stepping back into crude and we could have a trend line break, which could give us a nice little trade setup over 74 half ish, somewhere around there. Also watch and see if we do get the pinch, the 8 above the 21. The yellow dotted line is the 8 EMA, the green is a 21. And then as far as upside target, I love the Fibonacci retracements. I'm a huge proponent and fan of those. And basically, our upside target at a minimum would be around $78, which kind of brings us to the 50% retracement right here. And then, of course, even north of 80 would bring us to the 61.8% retracement. So just wanted to share that with you. Crude, I think, could be an interesting trade. Again, it needs to break over this trend line. It needs to break over this high, somewhere around 74 quarter, 74.50. And then if it did show strength, I would probably add more over this high here on December 26th, which is like $76. And again, you want to add to winners. I know it's hard. A lot of people like to add to losers because it just feels better. You're lowering your basis. But when a stock is acting right, or a commodity like crude, as long as it's acting properly, you can add to winners. And then, of course, you have your upside target here and here. And then, of course, you would just monitor for continuation. But anyway, that's I think, a pretty good trade idea coming up in crude. And have a great one, and we'll see how it plays out. All right, talk to you soon. Take care. Till next time. Peace. Hey, everybody. This is Brad Adonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.